So, Osmo Pocket has hyperlapse now. DJI have just released a new update which is available on the Pocket only, not on the app. So, let's try it out. At the moment, you can only access the hyperlapse function on the Osmo Pocket itself, where you would find it under the time-lapse menu. You can't use it on the Mimo app yet. I imagine that will come soon. Now, hyperlapse crops into the time-lapse footage you're taking so as to give extra stabilization for the bounce moves you make when walking or running around. Ideally, this gives a more stable and smooth feel to the video output. What do you think? And just like the other time-lapse outputs from the Osmo Pocket, this comes out as a 1080p video. You can't get any other output at a higher resolution than that, which is a pity, but I guess that's what you would expect. One of the slight issues I have is that the gimbal is a little slow to respond to changes in direction of movement. For example, here as I head downhill, the gimbal is in slow follow mode, so it doesn't really do a great job. And this is a 15 times speed setting for the hyperlapse. I guess that can be an issue for normal speed footage too, so you may need to experiment with your Gimbo follow settings for best results. But overall, not bad. And just to mention, this footage was with a Polar Pro ND filter. It was a little bright out there today. So, like I said, it's only 1080p, so, you know, it's not really the quality that you're after perhaps, but it's the same as the time-lapse, so what else can we expect? It's a nice little feature, seems to be quite smooth, and I'll probably end up using it a little bit when I'm out and about, alongside my Insta360 One X and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Thanks for watching. Here's some more videos you might want to watch, but catch you later. Thanks.